Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my pizza channel. This is the Pizza Guy John. Today we're going to be making something special today. We're not only going to be cooking just one pizza, we're going to be cooking two pizzas in the Ooni Koda 16. Alright, before we get started, let's go ahead and take a look at the oven. I've had it preheating now for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. As you can see, the flame is really low, so I've turned it down to the lowest that it can go, and I can show you guys how I do that. But the temperature of the oven, looking about 700, close to 800, so we're doing pretty good. So let's go ahead and get started. And so we have two doughs here. These are going to be about 130 grams each, and this is again going to be the Polish recipe that I use. Again, you could check out that up above on how to make that as well. So we're going to go ahead and get that one flopped in, get that coated with some semolina, as well as this one. We'll get this one also flipped around. And so let's go ahead, and basically we're just going to be doing some cheese on one, and then we got pepperoni for the other one. You can hear that air. Get that flipped, a little bit of semolina there. And again, let's get this. Perfect for kids, perfect for yourself if you're on a diet. So let's go ahead and get this. And this is going to be a little bit harder since they are small, but it's okay. We're going to basically go ahead and get both of them stretched out, and place that one back on the semolina. And then again, same thing. A little bit of semolina on that. Get one more. Alright, then straight to the hands. This dough feels really nice. Again, if you want to learn how to make it, go ahead and check out the links up above, or again, any videos on my channel. So let's go ahead and start this one. Get the sauce down here. And because again we're doing two, we're going to go ahead and get both of them sauced at the same time. So all right, and this one we want to make sure we watch out because there is going to be some, so that's fine. And like I said, both are going to get cheese, and one does get pepperoni. So let's go ahead and get that. Just a little bit more. And let's get this one here with pepperoni, since they're a little bit bigger. All right, and again, we're gonna go ahead and just do one at a time, but at the same time. So let's go ahead. Let's get this one. We'll get this one to the back of the oven. All right, and then let's go ahead now and get the second one. And let's get this one. Perfect. All right, so now we got two in there. Go ahead now and just let that cook, and then we'll get them spun around. And the back is cooking nice and slow, which is perfect, what we want. We don't want it to cook too quick, which again is what the oven is perfect where it's at right now. And so we'll give it some time. Let's see. So again, it's going to be low and slow, not too fast, because again, you don't want to burn it. And let's see. Alright, so we'll go ahead now and we'll just get this one right here. Kind of get that little close over there. We could probably move this one just a little bit up right here. And because again, it is going to be a little bit tight, you can go ahead and just pull it out a little bit and get that placed in there. And let's go ahead and we'll get this one. Spun right there. Go ahead and let's get this one. Nice and slow. Bottom's cooking. Let's see. Again, it is a nice and slow, so let's go ahead and let's take a look and see what we're looking at. This one, the bottom is nice and cooked, but we could go ahead and give it some more, so we'll actually put that one there. And let's move that one right here. And see, this oven is perfect. Again, these are roughly maybe 4 inches, you know, maybe 6 right here. So so it is pretty nice to be able to do 2 kid pizzas. So this one we're gonna go ahead and take out. Let's put it right here on our cooling rack. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this oven. Let's get this on high a little bit. Kind of get that crust a little bit more cooked. And now, because the bottom is nice and brown, so at this point we could go ahead and just kind of get that spun around. Let's get this side a little bit more as well. Cheese is bubbling nicely. And let's see where we're at. A little bit more on this other side, so we can kind of get that right there. Maybe turn a little bit more. And I think at this point we would say that this is ready to go. Maybe just a couple more seconds right here. All right, and there you go. We got 2 pizzas, both cooked again in the Ooni Koda 16. So let's go ahead and get this turned off. And we'll get these inside, and then we'll do a little taste test and show you how these came out nicely. All right, so there you go. You got 2 pizzas that were both cooked at the same time in the Ooni Koda 16. As you can see, it is very doable. Let's go ahead and take a look at this pizza. You can see it is brown all the way around. If we take a look at the bottom is nice and cooked all the way through, nice and crispy. So let's go ahead and take a bite of this little one. I like the pepperoni. So nice and crispy, love that sound. And let's just get a little bite of this one. Again, you can't go wrong with pepperoni, so let's go ahead and take a look. Again, at that crust, again, 70% hydration, 50% Polish, bottom nice. So let's go ahead and take a bite. Perfect. Crispiness, cooked all the way through. 2 pizzas cooked again in the Ooni Koda 16. Very doable. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you can, go ahead and check out the affiliate links down below. Again, any products that you see here, the Koda 16, the 12, any paddles, any pills, anything like that. Again, I have links down below for you to check those out. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and again, turn on a little bell notification to be notified anytime that I do make any new videos. Thanks again.